Which of these statements is false? Is it A, polyclonal antibody preparations recognize multiple epitopes? B, monoclonal antibodies recognize a single epitope? C, serum and plasma can both be tested for antibodies? D, the direct ELISA uses anti-human IgG antibodies? Or E, a rise in specific antibody titer indicates an active infection? Okay, let's go through these. First of all, E. E is correct. If you have antibodies to a specific antigen, that specific antigen is probably present, which indicates that you have an infection involving that antigen. If we have a look at polyclonal and monoclonal, these are both correct. We use polyclonal